Hey guys, I think this Q&A has been long awaited. Part of that is my fault because I've been putting this off, but I feel like it's good to do a Q&A every once in a while just to update you guys on what's going on in my life. I posted on Instagram and my YouTube community tab, like a place where you guys can ask questions for me, and I have not seen any of them yet, but I posted it about an hour ago, so we're just gonna go through those and I'm just gonna be as honest and real as I can. But I'm not even gonna lie, Q&As kind of freak me out sometimes because I feel like I oversay things, or I don't say what I like mean to say until I'm editing the video, and then I'm like, dang it, I should have said that. Oh my god. Wow, you guys really did not hold back. I guess we're just gonna go straight out with this one. Have you lost your virginity? Are you a virgin? Body count? All that. I do not have a body count. I am still a virgin. How much has your butt grown? Because girl, all the work you put in is paying off. Thank you. Last summer, or honestly like these past few months, I have been putting in so much effort, going to the gym every single day and really like working on myself. And I think, in my personal opinion, you guys don't have to agree, but I can definitely see a change in growing my glutes and stuff, because that's one of the things that I like really focus on, that and my abs, and then just like getting cardio in and stuff. But yeah, I've noticed a huge difference personally, and honestly, at the end of the day, as long as I'm happy with my results, that's all that matters to me. But yeah, just know every single day I'll be grinding at the gym, I'm working on myself. How many people have you kissed? I think the list right now is either 5 or 6. Yeah. What happened at your birthday vacation? I've been seeing a lot of these questions as I'm looking through this. As you guys know, if you watched the video, there was some tea that went down, and I won't say exactly what happened with that, but I will tell you some other tea that happened at the beach, because it was just like weird. So basically, at the beach, I was like with my friends around the mosh pits and all that. There was this group of guys and they like circled me, and one of them was holding like a Chucky doll. I don't even know. He was definitely like way too old. And my two friends, Alex and Layton, were like watching from a side because they always like went everywhere with me. You always have to be safe, you know, especially if you're going to the beach during spring break. This MF literally kissed me, slobbered all over my face, totally took me by surprise. I was like, oh my god, get off of me, gross. And so yeah, later that night, I felt like I had to sanitize my mouth like 500 times. Definitely overage, just full on decided to kiss me. Alex and Layton were there, so they like stepped in and all that, but it was like so sudden and just random. And ladies, if you guys are going to the beach anytime soon, please, please, please be careful, because you never know. Have you ever liked one of your guy friends? Yes, I actually had a thing with one of my guy friends, but I don't recommend dating in the same friend group because, yeah. What's your favorite trip you've taken? Definitely the Porte trip. That was probably one of the best trips of my life, especially because I was with my best friends, and there are some really crazy but good memories. It was so fun. How do you deal with your period? Funny story, I'm actually on my period right now. Sorry if that's TMI. I hate being on my period. I literally feel my body just shut down. Yesterday, I took a 5-hour nap, I want to say, and I was just so out of it, and I knew, I was like, oh gosh, like here, it's about to come. And sure enough, it did. I don't know, I just feel like so drained, no energy, and how I deal with it is hanging out with my friends and just keeping myself busy to take my mind off of it, because yeah, otherwise I will just binge eat chocolate. Is it hard being the only single girl in your friend group? Yeah, it really, really sucks. So Maddie's dating Cody. They've been together for like over a year. And then Sophia is dating Ryan, and Ryan is in our friend group. And it really, really sucks. I actually really enjoy being single because I like the freedom and all that, but I do at times really wish I was in a relationship, and I just think I've had really bad luck. I don't know, I just feel like I always go after the same type of guys, which I need to switch that up and not do, and they always just kind of screw me over. So I don't know. Do you plan on going to college? If so, what colleges are you looking at? Yes, I plan on going to college. I am literally so excited to go to college. It's crazy because a bunch of people ask me if I am gonna end up going, and I think they ask that because they're like, oh, well, you do YouTube, like, you don't need to go. Personally, I think college is a huge deal, and YouTube could die out any day now. I'm not gonna put all my eggs in one basket and hope that YouTube is going to last forever, or that me being relevant is gonna last forever. So yes, I'm very excited for college. I don't plan on staying in Texas. I am currently looking at Boise State University in Idaho. I'm a huge fan of Idaho. Even though it's so random, everybody's like, what the F? San Diego State, Colorado State University. I'm actually gonna tour that soon. I'm really excited to tour that. Arizona State, Pepperdine. And yeah, I think that's what I'm looking at right now. Are you going on vacation anytime soon? Yes, I am going to skip school to go college touring in Colorado. We're probably gonna visit Catherine up there as well. And I rented out this Airbnb that is so cute. It's adorable. Okay, I'm finally gonna answer this question because I honestly like don't talk to any of these girls anymore, and I just think this is so funny. What happened to Pepsi? So if you guys have been here from the beginning, like ancient videos at the beginning of my YouTube channel, I had this friend group and we came up with this name for our group, which is the stupidest thing ever. I don't know why we did this. And we like called ourselves Pepsi, and each of the initials, PEPC, stood for one of the girls in the group. Whenever I stopped hanging out with all the girls, everybody was like freaking out and like asking like what happened to all of us, and I am going to finally answer this for you guys. Okay, so basically I just want to say I have no hatred or ill feelings towards any of the girls. I wish them the best and I hope that they're all doing well. Basically, we all fell out of friendship, and I don't even remember like exactly why. It was definitely over like stupid drama, but yeah, I mean, I think the other girls are doing good. I don't go to school with any of them anymore, so I have no idea. Nor do I follow any of them on social media. Yeah, I think our personalities and who we are now definitely would not have worked just because of like our beliefs, the way that we act, and who we like gravitate towards. I think it all worked out for a reason. I had a lot of fun with them whenever I was in that time in my life. Yeah, I have no idea. Why don't you ever tell us when you have a boyfriend? So, many reasons. First off, that's the thing with putting your life out on social media, is people always want to know like what's going on, and they think that they have a right to your business. And so when it comes to guys, that's like the one thing that I try to keep off of social media, if that makes sense. That's why. Are you dating someone right now, or do you like anybody? Yes, I like somebody right now. I don't know if he likes me back, but I'm not dating anyone right now, but I definitely like someone. This is a big question. Somebody asked, are you on birth control? And I have been very hesitant about answering this question because a couple people have noticed. Yes, I am on birth control. I've been on it for a while, and I'm not sure how long I plan on being on it. The reason why I'm on it is because of my period. Before I went on it, I had my period like every other week. It was absolutely terrible, and I would be crying, like holding my stomach. And so now I'm on a consistent cycle, all that, but there have been side effects that I've noticed, and obviously I don't want that to control my body. I'm definitely not going to be on it forever, but it's been very, very helpful right now. Being in pain all the time was definitely not the move. I've been on birth control since the end of last summer. Have you ever struggled with body image or your relationship with food? I feel like social media has placed a lot of negative thoughts in people's heads about what they think body standards are and how a girl should look. I'm going to be completely honest. I have struggled a lot recently with that, and with food as well, so trigger warning. When you put your life out on the internet and a bunch of people comment things about you gaining weight or putting muscle on your body, it can sometimes get to you. And then also just like how hard we are on ourselves. I am very hard on myself. I know that I push myself way too hard, like trying to go to the gym every single day, even on the weekends. I beat down on myself, and I just don't know. That's something that I have been trying to work on. Everybody should love their body, and I know it's so easy to say. I tell myself that all the time, like God made us the way that we are, but it can be hard, especially with societal standards nowadays. Trust me, if you're struggling, just know you're not alone, because I have not been doing so well. Girl, how are you so confident? I need your confidence. I honestly stopped caring what people thought about me. I know it could seem like I'm confident a lot, especially because I put on social media what I want y'all to see and not the bad parts of me or the parts where I'm really sad and all that. I feel like I have changed and matured so much so fast, and YouTube has definitely helped speed that up. I cannot wait till I'm like 18 and up to do these videos. I already know what questions I'm gonna answer when I'm 18, but right now we gotta keep it PG. How to stop being so shy and awkward around boys you like, and how to have the confidence to tell them you like them. By the way, I love you. I love you too. How to stop being shy and awkward. I'm gonna try to say this and hopefully it's gonna make sense. I feel like ever since I was little, I've always gravitated to hanging out with guys. A lot of the girls did not like me in elementary school because I hung out with these two guys all the time. They were like my best friends. In middle school, I loved hanging out with guys, and now in high school, my friend group is a 9 or 11 guy ratio to 3 girls. So obviously I love having guy friends, one because girls are so toxic, cause so much drama, and I just do not have time for that whatsoever. They're also so funny as well, and even though they like pick on me all the time, it really helps you grow like thick skin. And being a YouTuber and all that, it's helped so much because there's always gonna be somebody that doesn't like me, and if they say something, I just know not to let it get under my skin because I joke around with my guy friends all the time. What I'm trying to say is, if you carry yourself with confidence and you reach out and try to be friends with guys as much as possible, do it for you. I promise you, it will literally change everything. Like, you're gonna become so much more confident. It's gonna be easier to talk to guys. You'll also get insight on guys, because if you have guy friends and you like whatever this boy, they probably know that boy, and then they can just like tell you everything. So you basically get like a free essay about the guy. And yeah, just carry yourself with confidence. Don't be scared. You are the biggest critique judger in your life. I don't even think that made sense. Although I will admit, I've never been scared to talk to guys until this guy that I'm talking to right now, or like, yeah, he's the first guy that's ever made me nervous. So I mean, I kind of need advice right now because I've been telling Maddie, I'm like, dog, I don't know, this is so different. Last question. How are you living your best high school life? Main character, high school movie kind of thing. I feel like I am living my life exactly the way, actually no, that's a lie. I never thought that my life would be like this right now, but now that I'm like sitting here present in the moment, like everything that has happened and where I am right now is so crazy but so perfect, if that makes sense. I feel like I have the best friend group. My parents never would have let me sleep at a guy's house, let alone go on vacation with them, but all of my friends right now are so trustworthy. My parents love them, and yeah, that's allowed me to have like sleepovers with YouTube and everything. I never thought that any of this would happen. I never thought that I would be filming a video in a car that I had literally dreamed of getting for so long. Never once thought that I would leave the school and the people that I've gone to school with from kindergarten up, but this year when I switched to private school, it was probably one of the best changes in my life because I made so many more new friends. There's like a bug, you. Yeah, it's just been really good, and yeah. So that is all the questions that I'm gonna be answering today. If y'all liked the video, make sure to give a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, ciao.